What if I told you that something that used to take days, sometimes even weeks, can now be done in under a minute? Full presentations, complete websites, stunning social media posts, landing pages, all of it generated from a single prompt using Gamma. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do all of this yourself. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful AI productivity tools out there right now, Gamma, and we're going to supercharge it by connecting it directly with ChatGPT. Let's get into it. So first, a quick overview. Gamma is a web-based, AI-powered platform that instantly creates polished presentations, documents, websites, and even LinkedIn posts, all from simple text prompts, PDFs, or articles. You don't need any design skills. You don't need PowerPoint experience. You just need an idea, and Gamma does the rest. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. You can connect Gamma AI directly inside ChatGPT, which means you can generate an entire presentation without ever leaving the ChatGPT interface. Here's how to set it up. Open ChatGPT and go to Settings. Click on Apps, search for Gamma, and hit Connect. Once it's connected, go back to your chat box, click the plus icon, select More, and choose the Gamma app. That's it! Gamma is now linked to ChatGPT and ready to go. Let's start with the most popular use case, building a presentation. I'm going to give ChatGPT this prompt. How can content creators make the most of AI? Write me a detailed, comprehensive 2,000-word article on this topic. Now here's the cool part. ChatGPT is handling the prompt, but Gamma is doing the building. It takes just a couple of minutes, and when it's done, you'll see a full, ready-to-use presentation right there in the chat. Click Edit in Gamma, and you'll be redirected to the Gamma editor, where a complete 10-slide presentation is already waiting for you. You can move through it slide by slide, and honestly, it looks great right out of the box. Now let's talk about customization, because this is where Gamma really shines. Head over to the theme panel, and you'll find dark, light, professional, and colorful options. One click and the entire presentation updates instantly. You can also build your own custom theme using Gamma's Theme Builder, or import your own branded file. Hover over any slide and you can adjust the card styling, remove background images, change overlay effects between clear, frosted, and tinted. You can also swap out the slide layout entirely. There are several clean, modern options to choose from. Here's one of my favorite features, the AI agent. This is a game changer. Instead of editing each slide manually, you can type a single instruction and the AI agent will edit your entire presentation at once. For example, I'll select Try New Layout, and watch what happens. The AI regenerates the layouts across every single slide in just a few seconds. It's wild how fast it is. You can also use the AI agent to translate your entire presentation into another language. Just pick the language and hit Translate. Done. Gamma also gives you a drag-and-drop block system for adding content. You can insert titles, headings, and subheadings, block quotes and call-out boxes, tables and lists, interactive buttons and toggles, code blocks. Just drag a block onto your slide and customize it however you like. It's that straightforward. Want to add visuals? You can insert stock photos, icons, GIFs, QR codes, or go one step further and generate AI-powered images and infographics directly inside Gamma. Let me show you. I'll click on AI Infographic, type in a prompt describing what I want, enhance the prompt if needed, then choose an illustration style, layout, aspect ratio, and select GPT Image 2 as the image model. Hit Generate, and just like that, a high-quality AI infographic is created and automatically added to your slide. The quality is seriously impressive. GPT Image 2 is doing some heavy lifting here. Next up, Smart Layouts. These let you add columns, smart boxes, and bullet structures with a simple drag and drop. No manual formatting needed. But the feature I really want to highlight is Smart Diagrams. And this might be my favorite thing about Gamma. There's a wide variety of diagram styles available. Drag one onto your slide, and it instantly transforms your content into a visually polished, structured diagram. You can even change the shape and style on the fly. It looks professional without any effort on your part. The same goes for charts and graphs. Pick a style, drop it in, and customize as needed. You can also embed videos directly into your slides. Just drag the YouTube video block, paste your video link, and it's in. You can even adjust how it displays. Super clean. When your presentation is ready, click Share, then head to Export. Gamma lets you export in multiple file formats, so you can download it however you need. Okay, now let's talk about something beyond presentations, because Gamma can do a lot more. Just click on Create New, then click Generate. Select Card Design Mode. Choose your card size, language, and layout. For social content, select Social as the format. Pick an example prompt or write your own. Then hit Generate Outline. Once the outline is ready, click Generate again. Choose your theme, image source, AI image model, and art style. Then hit Generate. Then, just like that, a stunning scroll-stopping social post is ready. The layout is clean, the text is sharp, and the visuals are eye-catching. You can export it directly or post it straight to LinkedIn in one click. Follow the exact same steps, but select webpage as your format. The result is a clean, dynamic, visually polished webpage. No coding, no templates, no design experience required. It genuinely looks like something a professional web designer put together. And that's a wrap on Gamma. Whether you need a presentation, a social media graphic, or a full web page, Gamma paired with ChatGPT is one of the most efficient creative workflows available right now. It's fast, it's flexible, and the output quality is genuinely impressive. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, it really does help the channel grow. And if you want more tutorials like this, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.